ChatGPT may have just single-handedly changed my mind about how to do twist outs, about doing twist outs. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Jaisha, and in this video I am going to be letting ChatGPT decide how I style my hair for the week and also what products I'm going to be using for wash day. Why? I don't know why. I, like a lot of people, just have been relying on ChatGPT more and more lately for just random things. So I said, let her decide how to do my hair for the week so I don't really have to think about it. If you are not familiar with ChatGPT, it is an AI platform robot thing where you just kind of like type in a prompt. You can ask it a question, you can look for information. It just has a variety of resources. Like, you can ask this thing literally anything and it's really smart. It will spit out a very detailed and thorough response within seconds, and it gives you different options, and like it can tailor it, and then it like talks to you the way that you talk to it. It's pretty cool. Like I said, I've been using it for just random things lately, like getting meal ideas, recipes, workout plans, helping me draft emails. It's been pretty cool. So let me tell you exactly what I said and the response that I got. Tell me what I should do with my hair for the week. I have colored natural hair. Give me a style, routine, and products to use. I usually do wash and goes, but I'm open to any other style as long as it will last 5 to 6 days. I try to be like kind of specific about it. I'm still learning how to do the prompts, because the more you put in, the more it will learn about you, and it kind of tailors the response. Like, it knows this stuff about you. That might seem a little bit creepy, but some people are using ChatGPT as their therapist, and I think that is even more creepy. I can't give a robot that much information about me. So she said, let's switch it up a little while still giving your colored natural hair the moisture and definition it needs to thrive all week. Since you usually do wash and goes, let's try a twist out this week. It's low maintenance, protective, long lasting, and it'll stretch your curls a bit, which is great if you want less shrinkage or tangling. She's right about that, but I prefer wash and goes. I don't know that a twist out will last all week. We'll get to that. She actually gave me, I'm calling it a she because like this is just my homegirl at this point. She gave me a lot of different options, and like she broke it down. She gave me a very detailed response, but for the sake of time, I'm going to just give you the important parts. So for shampoo, she recommended the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse or the As I Am Curl Clarity Shampoo. I don't have either of those, so I just bought the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Rinse for my shampoo today. Deep condition, and it says in parentheses, non-negotiable. What did I tell you guys about deep conditioning? Non-negotiable. Even ChatGPT knows. Look. Deep conditioning, non-negotiable. She said either the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask or the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. I already had, luckily, the TGIN masks. I was going to use that anyway, so that's what we're using today. For the leave-in, she suggests either Kinky Curly Not Today or the Mayel Pomegranate and Honey leave-in. You guys know Kinky Curly Not Today is my all-time favorite leave-in conditioner ever. I actually was out and I needed to get another one anyway, so I just picked up one of those, but I would have had to buy that. I was going to rebuy it anyway. Did y'all know that that leave-in conditioner is now $17? Like, what? When I first started buying it, it was like $12. That's crazy. For my twist cream / butter, she suggested the Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Style Cream or the Camille Rose Almond Joy Twisting Butter. I've used both of those products before and they're pretty good. I just don't have either of them, so I did a little swap there. But I asked her and she said it was fine. She approved the swap. It's gonna be the Mayel Organics Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle instead. To seal and define, she suggests the Do Mousse Def or Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic. I just got some Mousse Def, so that's what we're gonna be using. Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic is also a really good product though for wash and goes and twist outs. She also gives me a maintenance routine, how to keep my hair preserved at night, a refresh routine if I need to like refresh during the week, and other styles that I could use if I guess the twist out doesn't last, which I think is pretty cool. Like I legit don't have to think about what I would do with my hair this week, even if this first suggestion doesn't last. She gave me a weekly timeline example with like every day of the week of what to do with my hair. I love that there's options, and she even gave me reasons why the products are good. Like she sourced reviews. She said, let me know if you need me to adjust it based on your porosity or anything like that, which it's like so smart. And then I was like, thank you, girl. I hope this twist out holds up in the summer humidity. And then she gave me more options for how to make your hair humidity proof. I love that I pretty much had all of these products. Like I only had to get 2, but I really only consider that 1 because I was gonna buy the Kinky Curly Knot today anyway. So we're about to get started with wash day. I am gonna go wash my hair, deep condition in the shower, and then we will start twisting. So I let my deep conditioner sit for 20 to 30 minutes as suggested, and I just rinsed it out, and I'm just about to go in with all of my products to twist my hair up. Again, for our products today, we are using the Kinky Curly Knot Today leave-in conditioner, Mayel Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle, the Dew Mousse Def Texture Foam. So she said 8 to 12 medium to large sized twists, and I'm not doing that. I can't do big twists. I don't care for big twists because then I feel like it's not going to be enough definition and my hair is going to be like bigger and more voluminous, which is cool, but I just feel like that's going to lead to a frizzy fro quicker than smaller twists. So I mean, not like small, but I'm sectioning my hair into 4 sections like I always do, and I am probably going to do 4 twists per section. So I should have 16, possibly a little bit more than 16. I don't know, 16 to 18 medium-sized twists is what I'm going for. It's actually been a minute since I have used Kinky Curly, and I just missed her. Oh, I hope they never get rid of this product. Ooh, this thick. So the only product that I actually tried for the first time today was the Camille Rose cleansing rinse, this shampoo. All these other products I've used before. What I liked about the shampoo is that it was pretty thick. What I didn't like about the shampoo was that it was pretty thick. So remember I told you guys that Fenty shampoo had a nice consistency to it, like it was kind of thick. This one is even thicker, and it's probably because it has castor oil in it, but it's so thick that castor oil is very thick, but it makes the shampoo like a different consistency, like the texture. It has a like a pointed nozzle tip for you to apply directly to your scalp, and I tried using it and the product was barely coming out. It was feeling like the Do Bananas product, like with that top, just impossible. Like product was coming out, but it wasn't quick enough for me. Like it was just so little product coming out, and I had to really squeeze the bottle for that little bit of product to come out. And I don't have patience. So I took the top off and it worked much better. Now I was really hoping that ChatGPT was gonna give me a fire wash and go combo, which is kind of why I told her I like wash and goes. But just my luck, I end up with a twist out, which is fine. I'm not against twist outs. They're just not quite my preference. Specifically, I've low-key been trying to avoid them in this summer heat. It's just so hot and humid outside. I don't know that it's gonna last. At least that's my assumption. I guess I'm gonna find out. But the good news is that ChatGPT gave us backup options in case the humidity does get to it. But even normally, my twist outs don't last long anyway. You guys know this. That's why I stick to wash and goes. But I do really love how a twist out stretches my hair. Like I like the idea of it stretching. It doesn't get as tangled and knotted up by the end of the week the way it does with a wash and go, because my hair is not shrinking up on itself. It's already stretched out. I like the fact that she gave maintenance tips, how to preserve my hair at night, which I always do anyway, but also just like different styles in case my hair does get messed up. It literally like takes the guesswork. I don't have to think about anything when it comes to my hair this week. And I'm just hoping this combo, because I've never used these products together, comes out good. I think for a twist out, it will. Like usually the only thing I get worried about with a twist out is flaking. It's been a while since I did a twist out, but I don't think at least, use a mousse as my sealant. So we shall see. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need one of those backup styles. Like one of those extra styles that she suggested, I'm sure I'm gonna need it. I don't know what day I'm gonna need it, but at some point during the week, I'm sure this twist out is not gonna last all week the way my wash and go would. But that's fine. That's fine. I don't know what to think about it. Sometimes I be forgetting what section I already put product on. So obviously I'm gonna just put more product on it. I don't even know how many twists I normally do, but these feel like just a little bit bigger than what the size that I normally make my twists, but I'm trying to follow instructions. Scratch that. I am not following instructions. I just don't want bigger twists because I feel like smaller to medium-sized twists will give more definition. I would have less to separate on the takedown. Obviously, the more you have to separate, the more you're gonna get frizz in your initial results on day one. So I would prefer to have less separation, which means I need to have smaller twists. So I'll probably end up with maybe like more so 18 to 20 twists. I also feel like the bigger twist is like, I don't want to have big, like more space up here. Like the bigger my parts are, I feel like my roots can become puffy as they dry, and I don't want that. I ended up with 23 twists. Don't ask me how. I don't like making them big. I can't get down with it. I don't know what it is. I just automatically gravitate towards separating into smaller twists. Anyways, I'm gonna go sit under a hooded dryer for these to fully dry, and I will see you for the takedown. Okay, twists are fully dried and time for the takedown. I don't have any product or oil. Ooh, whoa, okay. That just separated so beautifully. Wow, wow, wow. I didn't put any oil on my hands to take them apart or anything like that. My hair does feel very moisturized. Like just touching it, I can feel, oh, again, wow. Look at how beautifully it just comes apart. Wow. My hair feels very moisturized. Look, it's separating so lovely. I've never had twists that just separate like so perfectly. I don't know if y'all can tell, like it kind of just, it's doing its own thing. But the little individual pieces are like so perfect. Like I barely have to do any separating. Wow, ChatGPT might have really just put me on to something good. Okay, wait a minute. Because this twist out looks good. Like, looks bomb. Do y'all see that definition? Like, what? Look at my hair. I am kind of in shock by these results. ChatGPT might have just single-handedly changed my mind about twist outs. The real test is really gonna be, you know, how long it lasts. We'll see what happens tomorrow and the next day and the next day. But right now, I really love these results. I am definitely gonna be doing this combination again, like for sure. And these are like products that I have on hand anyway. Like I just love that. I'm definitely gonna be using this again. Again, it depends on how long this twist out lasts, but I love the fact that my hair is elongated, it's moisturized, it's defined. This was pretty simple to do. Once again, ChatGPT for the win. Like I knew she was knowledgeable and whatnot. I knew she had the information, but I wasn't expecting to be blown away. I was expecting kind of the same thing as normal, but I'm pleasantly surprised. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in to my crazy little experiment with an AI robot telling me what to do with my hair. Let me know in the comment section if you use ChatGPT for any of your everyday life things and it helps you out with it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more of my videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!